Welcome to the Advanced Form Integration WordPress plugin. Today I am gonna show you how to connect Contact Form 7 to Pipedrive. This integration allows you to create person, organization, deal, note and activity in Pipedrive CRM from Contact Form 7 submission. This also allows to add custom fields. The feature is supported in the basic free plugin. Here you can see a contact form is created and here, how it looks like in the front end. The Pipedrive dashboard. To get started we have to save the Pipedrive API key in the plugin settings. Go to the AFI menu, then Settings, select Pipedrive. Follow the instructions and save the API key. Now go to Add New. New integration page will appear. Put a title, or you can leave the default one. Select Contact Form 7 in the Form Provider drop-down. Select the form you want to integrate. If you have multiple forms created under Contact Form 7, all will be listed here. Now select Pipedrive in the action. Select the task. Here you can see Pipedrive fields in the left side and form fields dropdowns in the right. Selecting a owner. I'll fill the person fields first. I'll leave other fields as our form doesn't capture those data. You can see a field here titled Date of Birth. It's a custom field that was created before by me. You can see there is another custom field called Contact Person on Organization. Filling person fields. We are using a basic form that doesn't capture users' organization, but I'm filling a fixed sample organization for testing. Here are the deal fields. I'll put a deal title and a sample value. Leaving other fields. You can put a stage ID in the pipeline. I'm adding a sample note. You can also add activity. Now saving the integration. Let's test the integration by submitting the form. You can see the person created successfully. The organization. The deal is also created automatically with value. The comment was added too. This feature is totally free in the Advanced Form Integration plugin. In the premium version of the plugin, you will be able to do the same with all other supported forms. Thank you for watching.